Welcome to the LIPP course. So in this video, we're going to be talking about leave reports. So let's move right along. Reports. So here we will be looking at user report, user availability report, daily report, a balance report, summary report, loss of pay report, LOP, a payroll report, importing and exporting report. So let's move on. To view the reports, go to leave, then to reports, and then select the report you want to view. User report. In this report, you can view the leaves of each employee, and to get a more comprehensive view, you can click on the specific leave type. You can enter the date range for which you would like to see the leave details, and the leaves granted, taken, balanced, and lapsed can be viewed. User availability report. The user availability report shows the members of a particular team who are available during a particular period of time. The main utility of this report is to view the availability of a team or department's members and plan work accordingly. To view this report, go to Leave and then to Reports, click on User Availability Report. The Daily Report. Daily Report lists the leave details of the organization for a specific date. You can view the present and absent status of employees with the leave type and approval status listed. So, in order to view this report, once again go to Leave and then to Reports and then View Daily Report. The Balance Report. This report shows the leave taken and the leave balance for each leave type for every employee. You also have a day and hour for leaves that are given on an hourly basis. You can use the filter to view balance based on various criteria. You also have various options to export, download as a PDF, and print under the ellipsis icon. So, to view this report, go to Leave and then to Reports and then click on Balance Report. The Summary Report. This report shows comprehensive leave details of each employee for a particular leave type. You can choose the type of leave you want to view in the drop-down. You can use the filter to view balance based on various criteria. And once again, you also have various options to export, download as a PDF, and print under the ellipsis icon. In order to view this report, go to Leave, then to Reports, and click on Summary Report. The following details are displayed in this report: opening balance, leave credited or granted, leave availed, closing balance, encashed leave, and of course, lapsed leave. LOP or Loss of Pay Report. The LOP report calculates and lists loss of pay for employees according to your organization's pay period settings. Pay period settings help calculate your employee's loss of pay. By creating a pay period, you will be able to view the details of leave of employees for which you need to have loss of pay done. So, to view this report, go to Leave, then to Reports, and click on Loss of Pay Report. So, let's start by explaining Regenerate Report. So, if any ad hoc changes are made, the Regenerate Report option can be used to reflect changes. Once the LOP report is regenerated, all existing data will be deleted. The Payroll Report. The Payroll Report shows your total working days, payable days, and loss of pay if any. The Payroll Report gives a count of the number of days to be paid to an employee, which is quite self-explanatory. To view this report, go to Leave, then to Reports, and click on Payroll Report. You will see the Regenerate Report button once again. And once again, if any ad hoc changes are made, the Regenerate Report option can be used to reflect the changes. Once the Payroll Report is regenerated, all existing data will be deleted. Importing and exporting of reports. So, ZoPeople lets you print, export and import your various leave reports. Just navigate to any leave report by clicking on the leave and then once again on reports. But this time click on the ellipsis icon to use the print option or the import and export options and more. For example, if you would like to export the user availability report, click on the ellipsis icon and select export. Other than the option to export, you can also print the report and download the report in formats like PDF and ICS. So, let's talk about importing and exporting with password protection. So, as we all know, certain files contain sensitive information that needs to stay private when they get exported. Such leave files can be encrypted with a password. The file will be accessible only with the password sent to your mail ID. Let us take the example of a user availability report. So, let's take a closer look at importing and exporting with password protection. Certain files contain sensitive information that needs to stay private when they get exported. Such leave files can be encrypted with a password. The file will be accessible only with the password sent to your mail ID. Let us take the example of a user availability report. So, let's follow the steps below. From your page, go to Leave, to Settings and then to General Settings this time. And within Export Settings, click on Enable Password and then click Submit. Now go to the leave file that you would like to export. In this case, to export the user availability report, go to Leave and then to Reports and then User Availability Report. Click on the little ellipsis icon and choose Export. From the choices below, select the desired file format. You can choose from formats of XLS, XLSX, CSV and TSV. And thereafter, click Export. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.